I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV axle on a Ram 1500. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel and the axle nut in the center of the hub. Then, safely lift the front of your truck using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe repair. Now, let's remove the old axle. Begin by taking off the wheel and then the brake caliper, hanging it securely to avoid stressing the brake line. Next, separate the steering knuckle from the upper control arm or the lower ball joint, depending on your truck's setup. Gently tap the axle shaft out of the hub. Finally, use a pry bar to carefully dislodge the inner CV joint from the differential housing. With the old axle out, it's time for the new one. First, ensure the differential seal area is clean. Carefully insert the new CV axle into the differential, applying gentle pressure until you feel it seat and hear a click. Then, guide the outer splined end through the hub assembly. Reconnect the steering knuckle to the control arm, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque settings. To finish up, reinstall the brake rotor, caliper, and wheel. Install a new axle nut and tighten it to the manufacturer's exact torque specification, which is often over 150 foot-pounds. Lower your Ram 1500 to the ground and torque the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds. Finally, take your truck for a short test drive, listening for any unusual noises and ensuring smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.